C'est parti.
Hello everyone, good evening. We are about to pack and leave Brittany again to go back to Istanbul. It's been a while since we haven't made a lot of updates either on our website or via video. What happened in between is we went to Portugal. We had a really great and cool concert. By great and cool, it's like we are extremely happy of what of the music we played, and we met a lot of nice and interesting people. And then since that time in April, I have been quite busy trying to book more concerts, and I wasn't very successful. We had a couple of contacts in Greece for the beginning of the summer, and none of them eventually turned out into an actual concert from us. Then we had a couple of contacts also in Belgium, and we have a friend of us trying to book some concerts for us. We made some videos, we advertised quite a lot, and we didn't manage to go through it. We also thought we could play this summer, in last July, in Portugal, and then it was cancelled. And I also had to cancel some concert we had planned for October in Portugal because it was not getting to be confirmed on time, and I didn't have enough concerts that were for sure to be able to make a sustainable tour in Portugal. And well, since flight tickets are getting quite expensive, so this is what we have been busy with. And then all this together made us realize that if we really want to play, we need to get somebody much more professional than I am. Or I can be professional for some things, we can be, but not for selling our own music. So at the moment, even if we are not making a lot of updates, we are still recording a new short album, 4 tracks, that we hope we will be releasing by the end of September. And then in the meantime also we are looking for a booking agent or booking agency that really will have the connections and the knowledge to bring us to the stages where people will enjoy our music, because we know there are some, we don't know which them will be sustainable and suitable for our music. So this is how far we are. I hope I can post this video before we leave Brittany tonight. But otherwise, stay tuned, because we are really extremely happy about what we recorded here in Brittany. Jan went back to his old love for drums. When he studied music, he was a drummer, so he recorded even some. For a track, he did some recording with his first drum set, and it's quite interesting. We're extremely happy about how it sounds and the ambience of the whole song. So we hope we can share it with you very, very soon. In the meantime, then, we will be heading back to crazy, busy Istanbul. And we might also give you some updates about the political situation there, because it also affects our music, our everyday life, and how fast we manage to record or not to record things. That's all for now. Bye! Combien de temps?